मुनित्रय प्रार्थना। येनाक्षरसमां नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतञ्जलिभ्यः शब्दविद्या संप्रदाय प्रवर्तकेभ्यो मुनिभ्यो महद्भ्यो गुरुभ्यः। We will start from the fourth sutra in the Chaturtha Pada of our Prathamadhyaya. Neyang uvang sthana vastri. From the former sutras, you will follow, nadi also will follow. This is to be divided. Na iyang uvang sthanau astri. Three words. First word is na. Na means nishedha, barred. Na iti avyayam, nishedhatmaka avyayam. So this has got relationship with nadi in the anurtis. Na nadi bhavati. So these words which he is going to tell after this na, these words will not be called nadi sanya. गतसूत्रस्य निषेधसूत्रं। गतसूत्रे किम् उक्तम्? ईकारान्त ऊकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दाः नदीसंज्ञकौ भवन्ति इत्युक्तं। नदीसंज्ञकाः भवन्ति। तर्हि दिस् इस् निषेधसूत्र. So the former sutra, it covers many, whereas Apavada Sutram, Nishedha Sutram, it is barring that Nadi Sanya for those Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Strilinga Shabdaha which are eligible for Iyang Adeshaha or Uvang Adeshaha. Iyang Uvang Sthanau Ichuktam. Iyang Sthanakam Ichukte, that will get iyang in a particular context. That will get, that ikara will get iyang adesha in a particular context. And then ukara will get uvang adesha. So these ikaranta ukaranta strilinga shabdaha, which are generally known as Nadi Sanya by former sutra, if they are by chance iyang athava uvang sthanakau bhavataha, that means ikarasya iyang adeshaha. Ikara strilinga shabde ajadi pratyayeshu pareshu, if ikara is going to be replaced by iyang adeshaha, iyang means nkara ittu bhavati iya. In the place of ikara in the strilinga shabda, we are going to place iya. So such words, ikaranta strilinga shabdas, which are eligible for this iyang adeshaha, when they will become eligible? When ajadi pratyayeshu pareshu. So also ukaranta strilinga shabda, which will be eligible for uvang adeshaha. Again, uvang also uva. Nakaraha ittu bhavati. So, ukaranta strilinga shabdaha, which will become fit for uvang adeshaha when ajadi pratyayaha follow it, that also barred from this nadi sanya, which otherwise it would have got by former sutra. But here also this nishedhasyapi nishedha kritaha. Astri. Astri then na stri astri. स्त्रीविषयकशब्दः स्त्री इति शब्दः केवल स्त्रीशब्दः एव. दिस् इस् आल्सो ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः. दिस् इस् आल्सो इयङ् आदेशप्राप्तिरस्ति अत्रापि. दिस् इस् आल्सो एलिजिबल् फॉर इयङ् आदेशः when ajadi pratyayas follow it. But still this केवल स्त्री शब्दः निषेधात् बहिष्ठात् कृतः. So this nishedha will not apply to stri shabda, even though stri shabda will get iyang adesha, because ikaranta strilinga shabda it will get iyang adesha when ajadi pratyayas follow it. So even though it is eligible for iyang adesha, this stri shabda alone is barred from the barring of nadi sanya. So this stri sanya, the stri shabda will be having nadi sanya. So what is the fun of telling nadi sanya, nadi sanya? That means in the earlier sutra also we have referred to it. Nadi sanya karyani bhavanti etebhyah. Nadi sanya praptavadbhyah shabdebhyah nadi sanya karyani bhavanti. Especially in the vibhakti pratyayas. In the vibhakti pratyayas, there are some specific rules applicable for nadi sanya shabdaha. For example, Gauri is a nadi sanya shabdaha. Ikaranta Vadhu, the nadi sanya ukaranta strilingaha. So there are specific rules when vibhakti pratyayas are applied, ajadi vibhakti pratyayas are applied, there are specific rules for nadi sanya shabdaha. Those specific rules will not be applicable in this case. So this is especially constructed to bar certain ikaranta ukaranta strilinga shabdaha. Taking the context in this, this is quite evident that this is to preclude words like Sri, Bhru. Sri means Lakshmi. Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdaha Sri. This is emanating from Sri Dhatu. Sri Sevayam. Seva means serving, being faithful. Shrayati Vishnum ityarthe Sri Shabdaha. So this is emanating from a dhatu, ikaranta dhatu. This iyang and uvang also, these adeshas are prescribed for ikaranta dhatus, against ikaranta dhatus, iyang ikaranta dhatuhu, uvang ukaranta dhatuhu. Sri is a ikaranta dhatuho, emanating from ikaranta dhatu. Sri sevayam iti dhatuho. Bhru iti shabdaha kevala bhru shabdaha. So this iyang and uvang adesha, they are prescribed by a particular rule which we will be getting in due course. Achi snu dhatu bhruvam yoho iyang uvangau. This is the sutra prescribing iyang uvang adesha. Achi ityuktam. Achi means ajadi pratyayeshu pareshu. Saptami. Ajadi pratyayeshu pareshu. Snudhatu. We will be getting it later on. It is not particularly now relevant. Bhru shabdaha. This is relevant. Snudhatu bhuvam. Bhru shabdasya. Bhru shabdaha strilinga shabdaha. Ukaranta strilinga shabdaha. So that will get uvang adesha as per this. So snudhatubhyaha and then bhru shabdat yoho ityuktam. That means ikaranta ukaranta pratyayebhyaha. Yo yakara vakara. E plus U will become yuva. So yuvoho, yuvu, E plus U, ikarantaha ukarantaha dhatubhyaha. Iyang uvangadesho bhavatah ajadi pratyayeshu pareshu. So this Sri is getting iyang adesha by this sutra because this is ikaranta dhatu emanating from ikaranta dhatu. Bhru is this word bhru is there already in the sutra. So to preclude words like Sri and Bhru getting Nadi Sanya, this Nishedha Sutra has been made. What is the effect of this Nishedha? We'll just see. Sri plus Au, Dvivachanam. This Ikara Srilinga Shabdaha will get Iyang because this is eligible for Iyang Adesha by the sutra I have referred now. Achisnudhatu Bhuvam Yo. Because it is Ikaranta Dhatubhyaha, Ikaranta Dhatoho Utpanna Shabdaha. That is why this is eligible for Iyang Adesha. So Sri plus Au. Au is Ajadi Prachaya. So Ikara will be replaced by Iya. So Sri will become Sriya. Sriya plus Au, Sriyau. Sriya plus Jas, Bahuvachanam. Prathama Bahuvachanam. Sriya plus As, Sriyaha. And then Sri plus This is also Ajadi Prachaya. So Iyang Adesha. Sriya plus Sriyam. Sriyau, Sriya. And then Sriya. Sriya plus Ta. Bhyam Bhyas will not be coming under Ajadi Prachayas. So they are Haladi Prachayas. Sri plus Nye, Chaturdhi, Sriye, so on and so forth.
Stri also same way it is formed. Stri, Sriyau, Sriyaha.
Stri is a word emanating from Styai Dhatuhu. That we will come afterwards. Bhru Shabdaha. So Sri Shabda, even though it is Ikaranta Shabdaha, Srilinga Shabdaha, it is precluded from Nadi Sanya by the sutra. Bhru Shabdaha, even though that is feminine gender, Bhru means eyebrow. Bhru, from that word only bro has come in English. You will observe that many English words have emanated from Sanskritam because Sanskrit is supposed to be the mother of Indo-European family of languages. That is established by the research people. Bhasha Shastra Parishodhakaihi etad pratishthapitam. Siddhantaha pratisthapitaha. Bhavatu. Bhuru Shabdaha. Bhuru Shabdaha because it's Ukaranta. Srilinga Shabdaha, it will get to Uvanga when Ajadi Prachayas are enjoined upon it. So also Bhru plus Au, Bhruvau, Bhru plus Jas, Uvangadesha, Bhruvaha, Bhru plus Shas, Bhruvaha, Bhru plus Bhruvam. So also so forth. Bhru plus A, Bhruve, Bhru plus Nasi, Panchami. Nasi means As, Bhruvaha. Sasti also Bhruvaha. Bhruvi, Bhru plus Ni, Bhruvi. So we have shown how this Sri and Bhru have become eligible for Iyang and Uvangadesha. So they are borrowed from Nadi Sanya. So Nadi Sanya Karyani Nabhavanti. I can just tell one example of the Nadi Sanya Karyani. Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Srilinga Shabdaha, when they get Nadi Sanya, At Nadyaha iti sutrena, Nye Gnasi Gnas Gni iti Etesu Prachayesu Pareshu, At iti Agamaha Bhavati. In the later examples we will take it up. So this Adagamaha will not be, the Sri Shabda and Bhu Shabda will not be getting. Why? Because it is borrowed from Nadi Sanya. But here in the sutra itself has got a paryudasaha. That is an exception. What is that exception? Stri shabdaha. Stri shabda is also ikaranta strilinga shabdaha. The name itself is demonstrates. So, striyaha iti sutrena etad iyang adesha arha shabdaha. This also is fit for iyang adesha by the sutra striyaha. So, this even though this is a iyang sthanakam, this shabda is iyang sthanakaha, even then because of this preclusion, the paryudasatvena, sutra itself, in the sutra itself it is accepted from the bar. So it is not bar from the sanya. So nadi sanya karyani bhavanti. Adagamaha, which I have mentioned earlier, that adagama etc. 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 will come. Nadi sanya karya vishaye etad ekam anyat karyam api bhavati nadi sanya karyani. In sambodhana prathama vibhakti for nadi sanya by a sutra, that is ambardha nadyor haraswaha sambuddhau. This sutra, it enjoins, it prescribes haraswa for this nadi sanya shabdas in sambuddhi, sambodhana prathama vibhakti. That means he gauri. Gauri iti ikaranta shabdaha. When sambuddhi is placed, that is sambodhana prathama vibhakti is used, it gets raswatva.
He Gauri.
He Gauri, he Nadi, he Vadhu, ukaranta shabdaha. So here, Sri word, because it is precluded from Nadi Sanya, in Sambodhana, it will not be getting Hraswa. He Srihi, Ichyo Vaktaryam. Athava, so also, Bhru Shabdaha, it is precluded from Nadi Sanya, He Bhruhu, iti Vaktaryam. Tarhi, Stri Shabdaha, because this is precluded from the barring, so this will get Rasotvam in the, because Nadi Karyam will be enjoined upon it. So it is eligible for Nadi Sanya. So He Stri will be the Sambodhana. Next we will take another sutra. Va Ami. In the earlier sutra, Iyang Uvanga Sthanakau, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Strilinga Shabda, they have been precluded from Nadi Sanya. So having said that, in this sutra, Ami Pare, Iyang Uvanga Sthanakau, Vikalpena Nadi Sanyakau Bhavataha. While they are completely banned by the earlier sutra, as far as Am is concerned, Am Prachayaha, because Am also Ajadi Prachayaha. Am is a Sasti Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Nyasi Os Am. So, when Am Prachaya is used, this Iyang Uvanga Sthanakau, we can take, for example, Sri and Bhru, because they are already, we have demonstrated how they are precluded from Nadi Sanya. So these Sri and Bhru Shabdau, they will get Nadi Sanya optionally. That means in such cases, we will get two rupas, two shapes of the words.
Not either of these two.
No. Vikalpa means this or that.
This or that means either this or that.
Either this or that only, that's what I told.
But how can, but you said that two rupas will be formed.
Yes, either this rupa or that rupa.
So while speaking, while using...
No, you cannot use two rupas at the same time. At the same, no. At the same time you cannot, two rupas will be mentioned in the table. That means either this or that. Vikalpa, if you understand this word Vikalpa, it is quite clear.
So in practice, only one, either this
Yes,
or
yes,
that.
yes, yes. Because while reading, while learning this Shabda Rupani, we have to take both the because that can be this or that. So we will take one example. Sri and Bru example we will take. Ami Pare. So Sri plus Am, Sashti Bahuvachanam. Iyangadeshaha will be there. So if it is Nadi Sanya, if it is not Nadi Sanya, Iyangadeshaha will be there. Sriya plus Am, Sriyam. If it is Nadi Sanya, Sri plus Am. Sri plus Am. It is Nadi Sanya. Raswa Nadyapo Nukt iti Sutrena. We will be getting all these sutras afterwards when Vibhakti Rupani are formed. Raswa Nadyapo Nadi Sanyakebhyaha Shabdebhyaha Ami Pare Nudagamo Bhavati. Nakaraha Agamaha. Ami Pare Nakara Agamaha. That means Am will get Nakara Agamaha. Because this is a Nukt. Ajyantau Takitau iti Sutrena. Etad Am Purvameva Agachyati. Sarhi Am will become Nam. So Sri plus Nam. Because Sri contains Refa, which is a nimitta for Nakara to become Nakara. So Sri plus Nam will be Srinam. So Vikalpena Sriyam Srinam. Both can be, either of that can be employed. Okay. So also Bru Shabdaha. Bru plus Am. Nadi Sanya is not there. So Uvangadeshaha. Bru plus Am. Bruv plus Am. Bruvam. Nadi Sanya is there. Bru plus Am. Nadi Sanya is there because Hrasvanadya Ponuti Sutrena Nudagamaha. Bru plus Nam. Here also Refa is there. Bru. So Anam. Nakarasya Natvam. Brunam. Here also this Astri will follow. Stri Shabdaha Nadi Sanyakaha. So Strinam will be the Rupam. Even though it is eligible for Iyang Adeshaha, Strinam will be the only one form is there. Stri plus Am, Nudagamaha. Stri plus Nam. Stri, you have got Refa in that. So Nakarasya Natvam, Strinam. Then we will go to the next sutra. Niti Haraswascha. It contains 3 words. In this sutra, Va Nadi Iyang Uvang Sthanau, they will be following. Anuvruttayaha. This contains 3 words. Sutra. Niti. It refers to the Vibhakti Prachayas. In the Vibhakti Prachayas, where Nakara is Yit. What are the Vibhakti Prachayas where Nakara is Yit? Nye, Chaturdhi Ekavachanam. Nasi, Panchami Ekavachanam. Nas, Sashti Ekavachanam. Ni, this is Saptami Ekavachanam. These are the only Nakara It Prachayah. And Nakara is to be omitted from them. So Nye will become A. Nasi will become As. Nas also will become As. Ni will become E. So when these prachayas, Niti iti Saptami. So Niti prachayesu pareshu. These Shabdas Iyanguvang Sthanakau Vikalpena Nadi Sanyakaha Bhavanti. Another word also is there. Hraswascha. Earlier Nadi Sanya Sutram, what did we say? Ikaranta, Dirgha Ikaranta, Dirgha Ukaranta, Strilinga Shabdaha. Here he says Hraswa. So Striyakhya will continue. That is Ikar Hraswaha. Hraswa Ikaranta, Hraswa Ukaranta, Strilinga Shabdaha. When Niti Prachayesu Pareshu, when Niti Prachayas are enjoined upon them, they become optionally Nadi Sanyakau. Ikarantasya cha ukarantasya strilinga shabdanam purvam Nadi Sanya Vihita. Here, there Hraswasya na prapnoti. Here, this sutra, it takes Hraswa Shabdas also. So, Hraswa Ikaranta, Hraswa Ukaranta Strilinga Shabdaha, these four places, they are optionally Nadi Sanyakau. Here also, you will get either this or that, two forms. Not that two forms are to be used at the same time. And also, Iyanguvanga Sthanakau. Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Strilinga Shabdaha, when they are eligible for Iyang and Uvanga, then they also optionally get Nadi Sanya when these four Prachayas are enjoined upon. So, the Ne Iyang Sthanakau Astri iti Sutrena, which are barred, the Shabdas which are barred permanently by later sutras, Va Ami, Ami Pare Vikalpena Nadi Sanyakaha, Niti Pare Epi Vikalpena Sanyakaha. So this has got two aspects, that is Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Iyankuvang Sthanakau, that is one aspect, Hraswanta, Srilinga Shabdaha. So we will take some examples. Sri Shabdaha first we will take. Sri Shabdaha Nye Pare, that is Chaturthi Ekavachanam. When it is not having Nadi Sanya, Sri plus A, Iyangadeshaha, Sri plus A. Sri A is the Rupam. Sri plus A, when Sri Shabda is optionally Nadi Sanyaka, Nadi Sanyakaryani agachanti. Sri plus A iti sthite, Sri plus At Nadyaha iti Nadi Sanyakaryam. Niti Prachayesu Pareshu At Agamo Bhavati. That means Sri plus A plus A. Atascha iti Vruddhi. A plus A, I Bhavati. So Sriya, Iyangadesha will come. Sriya plus I. Sriyai. Panchami. Sri plus Nasi. Sri plus As. Iyangadesha. Sriya plus As. Nadi Sanya is not there. So Sriyaha. Optionally, another Rupa. Sri plus As. Sriya plus As. Nadi Sanya. Adagamaha. Sriya plus A plus As. Sriya plus As. Sriyas. Sriyaha. So also Sashti. Sriyaha is one Rupam. Alternately, Sriyaha. Saptami also. Sri plus Gni. Nadi Sanya is not there. Sriya plus E. Sri. Sri plus E. Nadi Sanya is enjoined upon it. Sri plus etc. etc. A plus E. E ichasya Nadi Sanya asti iti krutva Gneram Nadyam Nibhyaha iti sutrena Am Adesho Bhavati Gni ichasya. Nadi Sanyakebhyaha Ni ichasya Am Adeshaha. So Sri plus A plus Am. Sri plus Am. Sriya. Am. Iyang Adesha. Sriya plus Am. Sriyam. So also Bhru Shabdaha. Bhru Shabdaha A. Niti Pare. Chaturdhi Ekavachanam. Bhru plus A. Uvangadesha. Bhru plus A. Bhruve. Bhruvu plus A iti sthite nadi karyam. Bhruvu plus A plus A. Vruddhi. Bhruvu plus I. Bhruvai. Panchami. Bhruvaha. When it nadi sanya is not there. Bhru plus as. Bhruva plus as. Bhruvas. Bhruvaha. Bhru plus nadi karyam. Bhru plus A plus as. Bhru plus as. So, Bhruva Uvangadesha. Bhruvu plus as. Bhruvaha. Sashti, same. Bhruvaha. Bhruvaha. Saptami. Bhru plus Ni. Uvangadesha. Bhruvu plus I. Bhruvi. Bhruvu plus I. Adagamaha. Nadi karyam. Kimavati? Neram. So, Bhruvam. Stri Shabdaha, because it gets Nadi Sanya, Chaturdhi will be only one Rupam. Striyai. Stri plus A. Adagamaha. Ad Nadjaha. Stri plus A plus A. Stri plus I. Iyangadesha is there. Striya plus I. Striyai. Panchami. Striya plus A plus As. Striyaha. Sashti. Striyaha. Saptami. Striyi. Saptami. Striyam. Sorry.
Sriyam.
Nehe am bhavati kila. Striyam. Striyam.
Sri is Bahuvachanam. Sri Bahuvachanam.
Kutra?
Saptami Bahuvachanam. Sri.
Strishu.
Strishu.
Tatra Iyangadesh. Iyangadesh is not there. Because that is Haladi Pratyaya. Iyangadesha Ajadi Pratyayeshu Paresho Bhavati kila.
Sriyam.
Tarihi, suppose Ikaranta Shabdaha Hraswaschapi Bhavati Chuktam kila. For that we have to take examples. Hraswa Shabdaha. Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Strilinga Shabdaha. Examples we will take. Kriti. Kru dhatoho tin pratyayah. Striyam tin iti esaha strilinga shabdaha bhavati. Kriti. Kriti means action. Kriti is ikaranta, rasva ikaranta strilinga shabdaha. So this also has got optionally nadi sanya. So nadi sanya is there means what are the four rupas? Kruti plus A. Kruti plus A. Kim bhavati? Nadi sanya is there. Kruti plus A plus A. Kruti plus I. Krutyai. Nadi sanya is not there. Sadi Kruti plus A. So this is to be treated as just like Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda. So Krutaye. Kruti gets guna. Krute plus A. Ayadesha Krutaye. So also other forms. Panchami. Kruti plus Nadi Sanya is there. Kruti plus A plus As. Krutyaha. Nadi Sanya is not there. So Kruti Adagamaha will not come. Kruti, it's to be treated as just like Ikaranta Pullinga Shabdaha. Kruti plus A. Kruti plus As iti sthite. Krute plus As. That means Krutaye. Krutaye is already we have told. Krutye Krutaye. Krutyaha. Krutyaha is the Rupam. Nadi Sanya. Krutehe. Iti Rupam Nadi Sanya nasti chet. Sashti also. Krutyaha. Krutehe. Krutyam Krutau.
Saptami.
When Nadi Sanya is not there, that is will be treated as equal to Pullinga Shabdas, Ikaranta Pullinga. So also Ukaranta Strilinga Shabdaha, Dhenu Shabdaha. Dhenu means cow. Sashti will be Dhenvai athava Dhenave.
Dhenave.
Panchami will be Dhenvaha athava Dhenuhu. Sashti will be Dhenvaha Dhenuhu. Saptami Dhenvam Dhenau. Then suppose Strilinga is not there. Raswa Ikaranta, Raswa Ukaranta. Strilinga is not there. We will take masculine gender. Agni Shabdaha. Raswaha. But this is not Strilinga. So it will not get Nadi Sanya. So you take Agni Shabdaha. Agni plus Nge. Guna. It will get Guna. Agne plus A. Ayadeshaha Agnaye. Vayu plus A. Ukarasya Gunaha. Vayo plus A. Avadeshaha Vayave. So on and so forth. Now we will take the next sutra. Sesho Ghyasakhi. Raswaha will be following in this. Earlier, for us Haswa Ikaranta, Haswa Ukaranta Strilinga Shabda, what we have told? Niti Pare Vikalpena Nadi Sanyakau Bhavataha. Here Seshaha Ghi Asakhi. That is how we have to divide the sutra. Seshaha Ghi Asakhi. Seshaha means what? What do you mean by Seshaha? All the remaining. Remaining means unspoken before. Left off being spoken. That is the remaining unspoken Shabdas. Ikaranta and Ukaranta. We have spoken about Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdas and Ukaranta Strilinga. Remaining means Ikaranta, Ukaranta, non-feminine genders, non-Strilinga. That means it can be Pullinga or. So, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, non-feminine genders, they get Nadi Sanya. Earlier, Nadi Sanya, we have optionally. Here, this is not Strilinga. So, they will not get Nadi Sanya. They will get Gisanya. That means you have to take the Karyani relating to Gisanya only. Just as Nadi Sanya Karyani Bhavanti, Gisanya Hapi Karyani Bhavanti. So we will take some examples. But here in this sutra, again Asakhi is the Paryudasaha. That is exception for this rule. Gisanya Vishaye Sakhi Shabdaha, even though it is Ikaranta Pullinga Shabdaha, by the earlier statement, Ikaranta Pullinga, Ukaranta Pullinga will get Gisanya. Sakhi word Ikaranta Pullinga, but this will not get Gisanya. That is Gisanya Karyani Nabhavanti Atra. We will take some examples. Ikaranta Pullinga Shabdaha. Agni. This gets Gisanya. So, Gisanya Karyani Bhavanti. Gisanya Karyeshu, one or two will take exemplify. Gher Niti iti sutram. Gisanyebhyaha Shabdebhyaha Niti Pare Guno Bhavati iti sutram. Again, Niti means Nge ngasi, ngasu, gni. So, following this rule, Agni plus Chaturthi, Agni plus A iti sthite, Agne bhavati. Agne plus A, Ayadeshaha, Agnaye. So, also Vayu, Ukaranta Pullinga Shabdaha, Vayu plus A, Vayave. So also Agni plus Nasi, Agni plus As, Agnehe. This Rupa Siddhi is having some other sutra also, Pura Rupa Sandhi Ichadi. We will take it up afterwards. So Vayu plus Nasi, Vayoho. Agni plus Nas, Agnehe. Vayu plus Nas, Vayoho. Agni plus Gni, Agnau. It has got certain different rules. Aud Acha Ghehe iti. Gisanyakasya akaro bhavati. Gni iti saptami prachayasya aukara adesho bhavati. Agni plus Gni iti sthite Agnau. Vayu plus E iti sthite Vayau. Then this Sakhi Shabda is excluded from Kisanya. So Kisanya Karyani na bhavanti. Hari Sakhi plus Gne iti sthite, Sakhi plus A. Yanadeshaha, Sakhye, Sakhi plus Ta will take first. Tritiya, Sakhi plus Ta, Sakhi plus A. Yanadeshaha, Sakhya. Sakhi plus here, because this is excluded from Gisanya, Gisanya Karyam na bhavati. Otherwise, Ikaranta Pullinga Shabdas or Ukaranta Pullinga Shabdas, when Ta is enjoined, it gets Na iti adeshaha. Ango na astriyam iti sutrena Ikaranta Ukaranta Pullinga Shabdanam Angi pare. Angi means Ta. Ta ityasya iti asmin pare Na iti adeshaha. So Harina, Guruna ichadi. Atrapi Sakhi Shabdasya etat karyam bhavet. Kintu this is not Gisanya. So this Ango na astriyam iti Gisanya sutram. Gisanyebhya shabdebhya Ta ityasya Na iti adeshaha. Because Sakhi Shabda is not getting Gisanya, that Gisanya karyam will not be there. Kevala yanadesho bhavati. Sakhi plus A, Sakhya. Sakhi plus A, Sakhye. Sakhi plus As, Sakhyuhu. Here Ukara will get, we will discuss it afterwards. Sakhi plus Nas, Sakhyuhu. Sakhi plus E. Because this is a Pullinga Shabda, Sakhyau. This Rupa Siddhi, we will take it up afterwards. So, this Gisanya Karyani, because this is a named Gisanya to make them eligible for Gisanya Karyani. What are the Gisanya Karyani? We will take them up afterwards. But in Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti, what will happen? Guna will get. He Agne, He Vayu, ichadi. In Tritiya, Ango na astriyam, Agnina, Vayuna, Harina, Guruna, ichadi. And Agnehe, Agnehe, Agnau. Already we have explained. Then we will go to the next sutra. Patihi samasa eva. Pati is a word, Pullinga Shabda. Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda. By the earlier rule, इकारांत पुल्लिंग शब्दास शेषो घ्यसकी इति सूत्रेण इकारांत पुल्लिंग शब्द समथिंग लाइक ई अग्नि शब्द it will get gisanya. So by the earlier rule this also is eligible for gisanya, but that is limited to samasa only. That is, when pati shabda is used in a samasa, then only it will become gisanya. Kevala pati shabda gisanyakaha na bhavati. How will you get samasas? Ramayaha patihi. Rama's husband. Rama patihi. This is a samasa. Sashti samasa. So pati shabda is there. On this, in the samasa, we have to enjoy in vibhakti pratyayas on the uttara padam only. So pati shabda will get gisanya here because this is a part and parcel of a samasa. So pati shabda na kevala pati shabda gisanyakam bhavati into samase eva. This is a restrictive principle. Niyama sutram. Ramapati, Umapati, Lakshmipati, Sripati, Dhanapati, ichadaya sarve api kisanyakaha bhavanti. Then what are the karyani? Ango nasti, he Ramapate gunaha. Ramapatina ango na astriyam. Ramapataye guna. Ramapatehe. Ramapatehe. Ramapatau. All the kisanya karyani will be getting. Why? Only in samasa it will be pati shabda will be in kisanyakam. So kevala pati shabdaha रूपाणि गिसंज्ञा कार्याणि न भवन्ति. तर्हि पति प्लस पति संबोधन प्रथमा विभक्ति हे पते इट विल बी बिकॉज गुण दिस इज ह्रस्वस्य गुणः इति सूत्रेण. सो पति प्लस टा पतिना न भवति. केवल पति शब्दः गिसंज्ञकं न भवति. आंगो न अस्त्रियाम् इति इट विल नॉट बी एप्लिकेबल हियर. सो यणादेशः पत्या. And then pati plus a, patye, pati plus as. Here a special karya will come. Patyuhu. Sashti also patyuhu. And then pati plus ni. The ni will get au. Audachya ghe sutrena. Pati plus au. Anadeshaha. Patyau. Here samasa eva ichuktam. This is interpreted like this by grammarians. This eva shabda grahanena ishtataha karyani bhavanti. Nama natu kevala pati shabdat samasa yukta pati shabdadeva nasti itarebhyah shabdebhyah api samase gisanyakam bhavati. Udaharanam musti shabdah. Musti means pidikili. What is it called?
Fist.
Fist. So, musti shabdah pumlinge bhavati, strilinge api bhavati. Suppose you make it a samasa, drudha musti, a firm fist. Drudha musti will be getting gisanya. So, even though musti shabdah, if it is pullinga shabdah, इकारांत पुल्लिंग शब्दो भवति गिसंज्ञा कार्याणि भवन्ति. मुष्टि शब्दः इट इज अ समास युक्त शब्दः भवति चेत् गिसंज्ञा भवति. इवन दो मुष्टि इज स्त्रीलिंगे आल्सो इज देयर, डजंट मैटर. दृढ़ मुष्टिना इत्यादयः भवन्ति. दृढ़ मुष्टये, दृढ़ मुष्टेः, दृढ़ मुष्टेः, दृढ़ मुष्टौ इत्यादयः. Then we will go to the next sutra. 9th sutra. Shashti yuktah chandasi va. Here patihi will be following. Anuvartate. Pati shabdah chandasi Chandasi means in Veda. Veda bhashayam, natu loka bhashayam. This Panini's grammar, it deals with Vedic grammar rules as well as Laukika grammar rules also. Wherever Vedic grammar rules are told exclusively, he will use the word Chandasi. Chandas means Sakaranta Shabdaha, it means Veda. So Veda bhashayam Sashti yuktaha pati shabdaha vikalpena kisanyakam bhavati. Where pati shabdaha, kevala pati shabdaha, it is excluded from gisanya. Sashti yuktaha pati shabdaha, that means it is not a samasa. Sashti, with Sashti, Sashyanta padam it is used, pati shabda. In Veda bhasha, this will get optionally gisanya. We will take examples. Kulunchanam patihi. Kuluncha is a Veda bhasha. Kulunchanam patihi. Here, pati shabdaha, it is enjoined up with kulunchanam. Sashti. Kuluncha shabdat, kuluncha plus am. Kuluncha plus nam. Dirgha. Kulunchanam. Kulunchanam patihi is the example for pati shabda after a sashti yuta shabda. So this is going to get gisanya optionally. So kulunchanam pataye namaha. If pati shabda is gisanyakam, kulunchanam pataye namaha. If it is not gisanyakam, kulunchanam patye namaha. We have shown the Sashti grahanam krutam atra. Suppose some other word non-sashti vibhakti is used, this will not get this vikalpa. Example we take. Maya patya. This is also taken from a Vedic mantra. Maya patya. Pati shabdaha, it is used with maya. Tutiyanta shabdaha. Natu sashti yuktasya. Tarhi patya iti pati shabdaha, it will not get gisanya. So patya, pataye, patina iti rupam nabhavati. Chandasi iti kim loka bhashayam nabhavati. Tarhi gramasya patye. Pati shabdaha with sashti yukta shabdaha. Gramasya iti sashti yuktaha. Gramasya pati. When you use this, it is a loka bhasha. So gramasya pataye, it will get gisanya. Gramasya patye, it will not get gisanya. Gramasya patye. Generally, in Veda Prayogas, many rules are taken optionally. Loka Bhasha and Veda Bhasha, Veda Bhasha is very liberal. They take many rules optionally, where in Loka Bhasha, only certain rupas are fixed. In Veda Bhasha, they are optionally formed. We will take the next sutra. Hrasvam laghu. Akadarat eka sanya iti prasanga visaye etad udahritameva. Hrasvam laghu. Hrasvam nama hrasvaksharam. Hrasvakshara laghu sanya bhavati. What is hrasvakshara? Earlier in the earlier padas we have taken up this. Ukalo achi hrasva dirgha plutaha. Ukalaha ekamatra kalaha hrasvaha, dimatra kalaha dirghaha, trimatra kalaha plutaha ichuktam. So hrasvaksharam hrasva ach means ekamatra kalika ach. So this is enjoined with laghu iti sanya. So that for all hrasvakshara vishayas, this laghu will be taken up in the later sutras. Laghu is sanya is formed. Sanya is formed for making it convenient in the sutras to be used. This is sanya only wherever such karyani are applicable. So, udaharanam vid dhatuhu. भिद विदारणे इति धातुः अत्र भकारानन्तरवर्ती इकारः दिस् इस् ह्रस्वसंज्ञा सो दिस् इस् लघु अक्षरं so when you enjoin some pratyaya on that sarvadhatuka puganta lagubhatasya guna will come puganta lagubhatasya when bid shabdah when it is gets a truchi pratyaya bid plus truchi vikara will get guna that sutra is formed like this puganta lagubhatasya here laghu sanya laghu word is used laghu means hraswaksharam if upadha means last but one letter if last but one letter in bid it is upadha ikarah hraswa shabdah laghu sanyakah so lagubhatasya gunah bhavati see bhi will become bhe भेतृ इति रूपं भवति त्विच् प्रत्ययान्तं एंड भेत्ता इति प्रथमा विभक्तौ छिद छेत्ता पुगन्त लघु पदस्य च इत्यादि सूत्रेषु लघु इति संज्ञायाः प्रदेशः कृतः देन नेक्स्ट सूत्र दिस इज आल्सो टच्ड बाय अस आकडाराद एका संज्ञा संयोगे गुरु so hrasvaksharam is getting two sannyas here hrasvam laghu hrasvaksharaस्य लघु संज्ञा भवति here संयोगाक्षरे परे hrasvaksharaस्य गुरु संज्ञा भवति so as told earlier whichever is not later and whichever is not having any scope for application if the former rule only is applied the later rule will not get the scope at all such cases we have to take the later sanya only so samyogakshare pare raswasya guru sanya eva bhavati na tu lagu sanya udaharanam kund kudi dahe iti dhatuhu kunda here nakarad anantaram dakarah samyogaksharam ku ukarah ukarad anantaram samyogaksharam vartate asya ukarasya kim bhavati gurutvam bhavati itena sutrena so guroscha halaha iti sutrena guru sannyayah avakashah asti atra guroscha halaha halanta shabdanam halanta dhatunam guru halanta dhatunam kim bhavati a iti prachayo bhavati so kund iti sthite kunda in that akara prachaya vidhanam guru shabdah guru sanya sutram guru sanya is used there so guroscha hala iti sutrena kund iti akarah bhavati tasmat tap bhavati stri prachaye kunda iti rupam bhavati शिक्षा vidyopadane learning vidya here also ikara it is followed by chakara cha that is kakara shakara so it will get guru sanya guroscha halaha iti sikshi dhatoh a pratyaya top shiksha bhiksh dhatuh इकारादनन्तरं ककार शकार संयोगाक्षरम् इकारः गुरुः भवति गुरोश्च हल सूत्रेण भिक्षा इति प्रत्ययान्त शब्दः भवति टाप् कृते भिक्षा इति भवति सो वित् दिस् सूत्र विल् कम् टु अवर् रिफ्रेन् ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।